Hey guys, this is Andy with Andy's Buildings, and we're out here in Dover, Arkansas on a pretty good sized project. We're gonna bring you guys along to show you guys kind of the process of what it takes. All right guys, well the size of this building is a 50 by 50 foot wide building. Very exciting because this is 20 foot high on the sidewall. As you can see here, we have our upgraded truss with our upgraded ladder style legs, and that's why we're out here, to show you guys kind of the main process of what it takes. You know, that way it can trigger some questions and you guys can answer them. Mainly what they're gonna use this building for, it's actually gonna be a home. They are gonna turn it into 2-story. That's why we went with the 20 foot sidewall. Very nice, and we're gonna keep updating you guys throughout this project. So this video may take several months in the making, but that's why we're out here, to show you guys the whole process. We already got all the trusses up. We're getting the sidewall purlins up to put the skin on. Very exciting guys. We're trying to get as much as we can done today because I think we're having snow tomorrow, but either ways we're still gonna be out here and trying to get stuff wrapped up. I want to talk about our ladder style legs once we go on a building this size. Once you get to a bigger size building where it's this tall, we do have to reinforce the building, and part of that is your supports here, what we call legs, and other industry standard, that's basically what they call them. Typically this is 1 foot right here. So from the outside of the building to the inside is 1 feet, and they all get anchored down to your concrete using a concrete edge. Felipe, hey, this is Felipe, the foreman of this project. Anything you want to say to the people out there? Everything's going good?
Everything's good.
Everything's good. Awesome, man. You're doing a good job.
Yeah, thank you.
Good job, man.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll let him get back to it. He was installing the rock guard here. He was just mocking everything up. Again, that's to keep all the critters away once we put that sheet panel, and we'll get footage on that once we come back and get the finished product completed. All right, guys, so behind me here is a 40 feet Caterpillar Skytrack lift. The reason why we're taking this shot is because you know, I want to inform everyone out there that's looking to buy a building, kind of the process that it takes. As I mentioned before, if you need a Skytrack lift for your project, this is what it'll look like. They usually come with the 20 foot reach. As you can see here, this reaches out, but with this one being a 20 foot sidewall building, we went ahead and got the 40 foot, just because to compensate whenever you're building up and the land is unleveled. You know, you still have feet there to compensate for that. So there's 2 different kinds of Skytrack lifts. You want to get the one with the pallet forks, like this right here, not the one with the cage. This one is 4-wheel drive. I'm not a sales rep on heavy equipment, but I would recommend getting a 4-wheel drive because 95% of the job sites are you know, muddy due to it being a construction site. You know, we get asked how much the Skytrack lift, you know, rents for. This one actually ran for $1,000 for 7 days. It did get delivered, you know, 5 miles from the local rental company, so just something to go off of there. I've seen them anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500. just depending where your local dealer is located. All right, guys, well, that's it for today, and we're gonna roll on to the next clip of the next day. But this is all we're gonna get for day 2. I'm gonna let the guys keep doing what they're doing. They're doing a great job. Basically, tonight, you know, today, all day today, they're gonna wrap up the skin on all 4 walls, and then the day after that, we're gonna finish the roof. And we got about 3 more days, so stick around, guys.